Hey, how do you deal with your parents, especially when they want to know your whereabouts always and expect you to answer them every time you're with your friends? It's a bit embarrassing, right? They randomly video call and expect you to pick. What if I'm actually dating someone at a cafe? That is not wrong, I'm not 12 anymore. I have addressed this and it always results in a fight. It just triggers me more, and I feel they care quite a lot, and that is a problem. So, apparently, it's not a problem they care, it's a problem when they don't let you define your boundaries and give you space. Having an actual adult conversation helps. I know it sounds very cringe, but we need to be vulnerable about it. It's pretty difficult. You would be shy or feel, what the hell, I'm just making fun of myself. If I make them sit and speak in a serious tone, they would laugh and go about their day not listening to me. But if you don't tell them, I validate your feelings but have some boundaries, then you're not ready to show them you're responsible and independent. You need to show by actions or by words that you'll not end up as a true crime podcast episode. So to compromise, tell them you will update them once a week or so. Strictly tell them you need some space, right? And if that doesn't work, well, at least you tried the mature route before you have to go full no contact nuclear option. Thanks for watching.